Click on Import and import the clips you want to use for the video. Drag and drop our first clip into the timeline. So I have a clip of a guy walking in the woods and a tree passes in front of the camera. So I am going to use the tree to make the transition into another video. Drag and drop the second one into the timeline. Make sure the video you are doing the transition to must be behind your main clip. So I want to transition to this clip, so I will move it under the main clip. So move the playhead to where you want your transition to start. So I want mine to start just after the tree passes in front of the screen. Then go to Video, then select Mask and click on Linear. Now move your mask to where you want your transition to start. Then add your first keyframe. You can also zoom in the video on the timeline so you can get a smooth transition. Adjust your mask as the tree passes in front of the screen and CapCut will automatically add a keyframe there for you. And if you want a better result, make you spend time and move slowly.